Have you ever experienced this? You dream of achieving something great. You imagine a successful future. You plan a better life for yourself. But when it's finally time to take action, you whisper to yourself, "I'll start tomorrow." If you have big dreams but struggle with delay and laziness, then this story is for you. It might completely change how you see your habits and your life. And friends, listen till the end, because we will also learn a few simple English words and use them in sentences so we can practice English in a fun and easy way. Once, in a peaceful village, there lived a young farmer named Rihan. He was energetic and full of dreams. He often proudly told everyone, "One day, I will be the most successful farmer here. My land will be filled with golden harvest. People will come to me for guidance. Everyone will know my name." People liked his confidence, but they also knew his biggest weakness. Rihan loved to dream, but he hated to work. When the sun rose and others went to their fields, he stayed in bed. When villagers worked under the heat, he rested comfortably in the shade, talking about his future plans. Whenever someone asked him to help, he always said, "I'll do it later." His visions were big, but his actions were small. One day, Rihan's grandfather, a wise old farmer, visited him. He looked at Rihan's land. The soil was rich, but the entire field was empty. He asked gently, "My child, why is your land bare? You talk about success, but I see nothing growing here." Rihan laughed and said, "Dada, don't worry. I will start very soon. My field will be the best in the village." The old man sighed. He had heard "soon" too many times. He decided to teach Rihan a lesson. From his pocket, he took out 2 small pouches containing 2 types of seeds. He handed them to Rihan and said, "These are special seeds. The first seed is the seed of discipline. If you plant it and take care of it daily, it will grow into a strong tree that brings success and blessings. The second seed is the seed of laziness. If you plant it, it will grow very fast, but it will produce weeds that will destroy everything good around it. Your future depends on which seed you choose to nurture." Rihan looked at both seeds. He knew he should plant the disciplined seed. But when morning came, he felt sleepy again and said, "I'll plant it tomorrow." Days passed. Out of boredom, he planted both seeds together and thought, "It doesn't matter. I will take care of them later." But later never came. Weeks went by, and he forgot about them. He spent his days sleeping, chatting, and imagining a bright future without working for it. One afternoon, when he finally visited his land, he was shocked. The laziness seed had grown wildly. Tall, dangerous weeds covered the field, spreading everywhere, sucking the life out of the soil. The disciplined seed was tiny, weak, and almost dying because it had received no care. Rihan's dreams were falling apart right in front of his eyes. Just then, his grandfather returned. Looking at the messy field, he said, "Rihan, this land represents your life. Discipline is like a small seed. It only grows when you care for it with daily effort and patience. But laziness, it grows on its own and destroys everything good." Rihan felt tears in his eyes. For the first time, he understood that dreams mean nothing without effort. That night, he couldn't sleep. He thought about the time he wasted and the opportunities he lost. He whispered, "If I don't change now, laziness will control my entire life." The next morning, before sunrise, Rihan woke up. He went to his field and pulled out the weeds with his bare hands. It hurt his back, His hands got scratched, but he refused to stop. Every day he worked harder, watered the disciplined seed, and cared for it with sincerity. Slowly, the small seed became a plant, then a strong tree, and eventually a source of shade, fruit, and wealth. Rihan transformed too. He became known as the man who defeated his laziness and built the life he once only dreamed of. Dear listener, Rihan's story is not just about farming. It is about every one of us. Inside each of us are two seeds. One is discipline. One is laziness. The seed you water is the life you create. Discipline grows through daily effort and small actions. Laziness grows automatically and destroys dreams quietly. So if you have big dreams, don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Water the seed of discipline. Remove the weeds of laziness, because each day you delay, your dream becomes weaker. And if this story inspired you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who dreams big but struggles to take action. Together, let's grow the seed that leads us to the life we truly want.